So as usual, we start in the weekly time frame. So as usual, we start with the intro. As you can see, we start in the weekly time frame. We highlight the close of the previous candle and the upper wick, and we hope in H4 time frame. This is United States versus Canadian dollar, and we can clearly see it's an uptrend. This was a higher high on the blue arrow there, and we can clearly see it's a swing structure because the market breaks structure and moving to the upside break structure, and it kept on creating higher highs, and the market was moving in an uptrend. So we know that we're in an uptrend because of that, right? And this was the highest point that the market reached there, and then price started dropping. It started to create lower low because this at the point there where the arrow is pointing failed to break the previous high, which was the highest point, and price kept on going down, but it did not change the overall trend. Price was keen to go up, and there was also a trend line on the top that I put there, and it looked like a bullish pennant, which is a continuation pattern. I only used that trend line at the top there, and inside that pattern price will be correcting, and you know where that purple box is always my entry. So inside the pennant or bullish or bearish flag, price is correcting, and what makes a trend line valid, these are the three dots there in circle, 3 touches, and the third touch is usually the breakout. An impulsive move is formed after the market corrects, it impulses. So now we hope in H1, in the H1 time frame, we refine our trend line and we make sure the trend line touches the wicks. Make sure you share, subscribe, like, share this content. And then we can clearly see we could have entered on the second touch as a sell, as we are waiting for a third touch for the breakout candle, another impulsive move. But me, I usually wait for the third touch. So we scale down and we hop into M30. We enter another time frame, and in the M30 you can see there's a double bottom or a W pattern signal there at the third circular item and my rectangle there, and there is the double bottom, and you could have entered there and calculated your risk to reward. It was a perfect trade and you would have made it back, I think, in 1, 2, 3, 4, probably 6 hours, 6 to 8 hours. Yeah.
I went so broken, but I love this pain, cause I can't share you with anyone. I'm so broken, but I like this pain. I can't share you with anyone.